Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today's video is a continuation of what we have created in our previous one, where I have showed you how you can have a packaging specification, where I have showed you to add the different levels, like I have added in my previous video level 1 and level 2. Okay, with that you will be get created with the two levels of HUs. Okay, so this video is a continuation of how you can add an extra level into your packaging specification if you want to make any changes in the existing activated packaging specification. Okay, and how your HUs get like if you have two HUs created and that will be under one pallet, or maybe in the carton, in a big carton, and you want to put that into a big pallet, how you can do that. Okay, so I'm going to teach you that, and we also call this as a nested HU, and this is the automation and the continuation of that series. Okay, so let's get started. So this is what our packaging specification look like for now. Okay, and if you want to make any changes, then you have to do one thing, that is you have to extend this. You will not be able to make any changes in the existing activated packaging specification. You just have to create a second version. Okay, but before that, let me show you how this packaging specification is reacting. Okay, so I'm just taking four quantities because I have added a layer of different quantities that I want to show you here. You can see target quantity is 2. Here we are also creating a HU, and in level 2 also we have a target quantity of 2, total of 4. So let's see how it will get created in the system automatically. So this is my inbound delivery that I'm about to create. Go to display. I'm just copying this. Go to PRDI. Okay. So my HU will probably get created now. Yeah, you can see this is created with this number ending with 27, the high level HU. If I go inside that current status, you can see this HU is storing two additional HU. Okay, this is big carton, let's say. And inside that, you have two small cartons where I have stored two quantities of good. Okay, and that small carton gets stored into one carton. What if you want to add an additional layer where you want to have a pallet? Let's say, okay, pallet. In that pallet, your HUs get stored on that. Okay, how you achieve that, I'm going to show you. So you have to go back to what you are working with in your pack spec. Just extend this. You will not be able to make any changes here. Okay, so you don't have any option of editing this one. So you can do one thing, create a second version. Now system will allow you to make changes in this. Okay, so here you have the option of adding levels. So here, for example, I have two configured layers, that is LUS1 and LUS2. Okay, so this way you can also predefine in the configuration the third level, let's say LUS3. Okay, and I have already showed you the configuration step. You can go back, create your levels, your element group, and all those stuff, and add your packaging material accordingly. Okay, so this is just for your understanding, I'm showing you. Okay, if you are working in a real environment, you will be creating a specific material type, packaging material type used for pallet. Okay, I'm just using a similar material or packaging material here in my example. Okay, so if you want to add a particular level, you have to click on this add level. So your level get activated. Okay, click on that. Just as you can see, I don't have any other level that I've created. Okay, so if you add this one, it will allow you. And here, if I put 2 again, you can see I'm getting a total quantity of 8. Now create a element group. So now element group has been created. Add your packaging material. Let's say my packaging is this. Just keeping this standard what I have used in my previous levels. You can also choose your work step, whatever you have defined from this. And define my this is my main packaging material. Okay. So consider this as a main palette. Okay. In this level, you can see all the specifications will come automatically. If you have any element type, you can also assign. But for this third level, I don't have any. So let's say if I take this one, system will throw you an error there, right? Packaging material type not allowed with element type. This one. So you have to create your own in the configuration first, and then only it will work. Okay. So let's. This is how you are going to create additional level. One more thing, HU, I want to create HU at this level also. Then check whether it is valid or not. Pack spec 45 is valid. Now you have to click on activate once again in order to activate this pack spec. So my data object is saved. Save it. Everything will be same. Now if I go back to my previous delivery that I have created, what was that? Just go back. 552. There HU is already created. Yeah. So I want to delete this delivery. So my product get back to my inbound PL31N. Similar, same purchase order. You can see my quantity is remaining as 7 as usual. Now I'll be taking 4 once again. Display. This is my delivery. Now check the what we have created, what it is created automatically in the background. So HU is created with 30. Okay. Last time it was giving 27, I guess. Display HU creation. So inside that you'll be finding one additional HU. Okay. And inside that you have two small level HUs. Okay. So these are the small cartons that we have created previously with our packaging specification 2 levels. Now I've added an additional level where this carton gets stored in this big carton and this big carton gets stored on one pallet. Okay. So this is supposed to be your nested HU creation automatically through using packaging specification. I hope you understood. I haven't taken any specific material types for explanation, but if you want to try on your own, you can create your auxiliary material type, your main material type, and your palette, okay, differently. So I hope you guys enjoyed and understood the concept, how to add additional, what do you say, level, existing packaging specification, and that's it. If you like this video, please thumbs up, follow this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.